name is Allison Knight. I'm the health coach for Employee Health Center, and this is Bodyweight Basics, a series where I give you tips and demonstrate proper technique for various bodyweight exercises. Today's exercise is the inchworm. This is a full body workout. You're going to make sure that you start by standing tall, making sure that your neck and hips are in line. Then you're going to make sure that your feet are hips width apart. You're going to come down, walk your hands out slowly, going vertebrae by vertebrae to a full out plank, and then you're going to walk your hands back up and stand up. So straight line, head looking neutrally forward, walk back up, and stand up, and repeat. And that's the inchworm. Thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you next week on Bodyweight Basics.